super. I can do everything. The lesson is over. Goodbye. Goodbye, children. Goodbye, Kate. Goodbye, Christy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, I got a good salary. I'll go to the store. Or I'll go to the beauty salon. Beauty salon. Very cool. That's a no. That's a no. Oh, what's my guys? Oh, good. Excellent. Very good. Super. What? Where? So now I will just quickly sign diaries and be free. Hurrah!
Can you fill in these documents, please?
Contract for the child, characteristics, food contract, conference. No!
This is all a wonderful profession of a teacher. For me, this is still an expectation, but who knows? I would like to say a big thank you to all the teachers for giving the children all of you. Thanks.